Hi guys, so today we're gonna go on and mince the garlic, gonna add some salt, sugar, and a little chicken bouillon with these nicely green beans. And we're gonna dip them in the oil and let them go on and cook for a little while, taking them out periodically, putting them on a paper towel to soak up some of that oil. And then we're gonna go on and put some olive oil in the skillet, drop in that garlic, stir it around, saute it a little bit, okay? Um, Gonna make sure that we brown it up a little bit, and then we're gonna put our green beans in the garlic. I'm gonna move them around and saute them a little bit. Then what I'm actually going to do is put in the chicken bouillon, and I'm gonna sprinkle in the sugar as well as the salt. And once that's completed, I'm gonna go on and stir my green beans just a little longer while they go on and finish cooking up a little. They're so delicious, and aroma is going everywhere in this kitchen. And then these are my garlicky green beans. Enjoy. And these are delicious.